special to you for watching this video, because like I said last time, I'm going to make some underwear. I'm just going to use stretchy lace that I'm going to use, and I'm going just to measure around the body, the widest part where I want the pant to be, and sure make this a bit stretchy. Okay, it's about there. So I'm just quickly going to hop over to my sewing machine and to work that. So quick, just cut this off. Okay, so these pants almost done. So just turn it inside out, and look, we put it right in the center, and then just with some hand sew just in the middle, catch the both sides there. Don't make a knot here. Just through, just together, two sides together. I made underwear like this for little Kaylee as well, so I will just show you here in the corner, and then you can see that video. So there's the pants finish, like maybe like jockey pants or boxer pants, boy shorts, that's the word, boy shorts. And there you go, quick, there's a pants already finished. And then the bra is exactly the same, just around the waist. See, just about there. So I'm quickly going to the machine. Okay, cut that off. Okay, and then with this, just get this needle right again. Okay, and also turn it inside out and make sure where's the middle, and then on the front side, first just catch the lace. And just go down, in and out. And then just pull it together. You can turn it inside, maybe around if you want. And just end it off. Okay, and then you might just be it's in the center. It's like a little rim here. Just cut it tiny bit open, both sides. And maybe let's put that first on. Through the holes. And there's a bra, and then panties. Quick and easy. So now Mum also got some underwear, and yeah, like I said, it was now a very quick and short easy video. So in the next one, let me just get this needle in here. So in the next one, I'm going to make pajamas. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.